Alright guys, we're going to be doing a installation today on a Magnuson 2650 blower. We're going to be installing the American Racing Solutions idler arm. So basically it makes you be able to get more belt wrap on your blower. So this is the new final version, so we're going to be installing this. So just give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to remove the pulley, and we'll start installing the arm. Alright guys, so get the pulley off. So remove the pulley, and then you want to remove the spacer too. So it's pretty simple. So here's the bracket. So the regular hot rod blowers have the metal fittings here. You might have a hit problem, you might not. I don't know how far out the metal fittings stick, but I know my threaded ones work. So basically, like I said, it's close, but you know, it clears. So so you're gonna set it basically a little bit back of the pulley, and you'll snug it down there. We can put everything back together, and then we'll see. It's adjustable, so if you have the right belt, you can get it where you have very little gap between where it comes off the back of the pulley and the idler is what you want to try to achieve. All right, so I'm gonna throw the pulley back on, and then we'll get up how to adjust this. All right, give me a second. So alignment, as you can see, you want to try to have it where it's sitting directly under the pulley, and we'll just start with about just off the back of the pulley. So we'll probably put it somewhere right about there. We'll probably be able to come out a little bit, but we'll start there and see where we're at, and then we can adjust it as far as where we want it to get the maximum amount of belt wrap. So it could take you a couple times just to get it right, but this is a good starting point. All right, so give me a minute, we'll get this snugged up. So the bolts here, it's a 3/8 Allen head with a 5/16 Allen. So you're probably going to torque them to, say, 25 foot-pounds. All right. All right, guys. I didn't do too bad on the first shot. So, like I said, I went a little bit past center line. So you have to go this way with it and have it pull down on the back of the belt. You can go the other way. So you can't go this way with it, okay? Because if you do, you'll probably end up throwing belts. That's what I've found with it. So this is the way it likes to run, is off the back side, so that you're pulling down on it. I just have to adjust mine a little bit because we're just on the edge. I mean, I could leave it. I have a little edge there, but I have a good amount over there. So like I said, just maybe a 1/16. I'll move it back over a little bit and go from there. This belt probably is a little long for my setup. I probably got to go to the next size smaller, or go with a bigger upper pulley. So I have tension. The two lines, when they're together, that's when your tensioner is loose. So I still do have tension, but I could use probably a little bit more tension. So if I went the next size down and then just adjusted the arm back a little bit, would get us there in place. So just make sure you torque everything. Make sure that the bolts are all torqued. These bolts, torque these bolts, make sure you got everything torqued right, and then you should be worry free. But as you can see, we have pretty much belt wrap from here to here. Okay, so it basically almost the maximum amount of belt wrap you can get on one of these. So once again, this is the belt tension bracket from American Racing Solutions. It works great with their tensioner also, the American Racing Solutions tensioner. They'll be both in the final product, will be both anodized black, and this one comes with the 60 millimeter pulley, and I even think there's an upgrade to ceramic bearings if you want to get ceramic bearings. So that's a little bit of extra horsepower there. Like I said, the only thing that I see that anybody might have issues with is the fittings. You can just get 90-degree fittings, remove the steel ones, just drill them and tap them out, and install the new fittings, and these fittings will clear no problem. So, alrighty, thanks, and have a good day.